This is a used 2008 Dodge Nitro. Grab life by the horns. Powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, six-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, premium rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, a trip computer, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Babbitt Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 11 North Verdi Street, Flagstaff, Arizona 86002.